Hey there gang, welcome back to Papa's Model Workshop. I'm Papa. This is my workshop. This is a Papa's Quick Hits video, and actually this video is specifically a request from my friend Luis Figueroa, who just recently sent me a message, I mean really recently, like about an hour ago, asking me about the lighting here in the workshop. So I tried to respond to him and give him a description, but I thought, maybe it's just better if I make a quick hits video and I'll show you the lighting. So I hope this helps if you are thinking about changing or getting lighting at your workspace. Certainly Luis Figueroa is looking to upgrade his. So Luis, I hope this helps. So the first thing I'm going to point to is this overhead light right here. I got this light on Amazon a couple of years ago, and at the time, I think I only paid about $65 for this light. Now, when I was looking for a light like this, I looked and I saw a lot just like this, but they were very expensive. I mean, in excess of $100, some of them even over $200. I paid a little over $65 for this. Might have been 65 even, I can't remember. But the point is, it was, in that range of $65. And this is terrific. I mean, you have a center light right here, and you have these wings on the left and the right, and they're adjustable, okay? And you can see how high this boom sits, and this is adjustable, okay? You can move this thing, up and down and so forth. And to put things in perspective, you can see how high this sits. Now, that boom, okay, is sitting on a platform right behind this organizer here, right? So it sits up pretty high. If I wanted to, I could actually, move this thing up a little bit higher if I wanted to, and I can adjust, this whole thing. So from a perspective of, adjusting your lighting and so forth and coverage of lighting, this is terrific for the price. This also has different intensities. I think it adjusts to 4 different lighting intensities, and it will go from incandescent to LED to fluorescent. Let me see here if I can do this. Yeah, there we go. Oh, no, this is the intensity setting. Okay. All right, and this is, I don't know how well this is showing up on camera, but this is changing the intensities. And then this one changes from the LED that was just there. I think this is fluorescent now. Somewhere in there, there it is, incandescent. Okay, so yeah, it's really terrific. The other thing I have is I've got lighting on my left, okay, and on my right. Now these clamp right to the workbench, all right? And it's got a gooseneck, a flexible gooseneck, all right? Now, these are terrific because if I'm working down here on something, I can move this thing right down there, okay? I can move it here or move it there, wherever I need to get the light right down to an area that I am working on. So, yeah, $10 at Lowe's. So you can't beat that. That's a studio light that I use for making my videos. You don't need that. But yeah, this is basically what I use here at the paint bench. Okay. And speaking of the paint bench, let me show you my sponsor. Give Gallery a little bit of love. Okay, here's my buddy Jeff Lawless, the bearded guy. Met him at NNL East. What a terrific guy. So I've got him paired up with Gallery. And speaking of Gallery, if you want to get an airbrush or supplies, my discount code is PPMW. Okay, and you will be able to get any one of these Gallery airbrushes that you see here. Okay, we've got some back there, and I'll show you something. Here's the Turbo X mini compressor and the GHAD39. You get that for free if you buy this on Amazon. Okay, and I will put the link in the descriptions if you want to go and shop at Amazon and get this Turbo X mini compressor with the GHAD39 airbrush included for free. How's that? But look at all these airbrushes I've got over here. Now, this one is a, where is it? There it is. Sorry, my finger's in the way. This is the Mobius TG trigger handle airbrush. Do you know I've had that airbrush for about maybe a year? I'm not sure. And it's still in the box. I haven't even opened it yet. And I've got a bunch of gallery airbrushes. I haven't even opened up some of these. The Seeker I've used. I demonstrated that. The GHAD 39 that I just showed you, I've got like 4 of these. So anyway, if you want an airbrush, then go to gallery, use that discount code for 10% off, and that includes your Kaleido paints. You'll get 10% off of your Kaleido paints as well, okay? So go check that out. Okay, so let's get back to the lighting. I'm going to go over to the other bench over here, okay? Now, excuse me. This light is similar to the one that I just showed you. It's not exactly the same, but these wings will move, okay? And I can, bring these together, or I could spread them out. And it also has 4 different intensity settings, and it will also, let me get this out of the way. This will also go from LED to fluorescent, to incandescent. And, these wings spread out here, and then this thing, the combination of the two, I have plenty of lighting. Now, this is actually a magnifying visor, okay, which is, really very handy. But this LED light here is really, really bright. I can move this thing. It's on a swivel that's actually connected to the bench right here. Okay, and yeah, I can move this thing all around, and when I need to, I can bring it right down close if I need to. All right, so I think that covers the lighting here. I don't remember what I paid for that. I got it on Amazon, and I don't recall what I paid for this. I also got this one on Amazon. My recollection is this was similarly priced to the other one that I showed you. So, go and shop on Amazon. It really does pay to shop around, because when I was shopping for these lights, I found many lights that were similar, and they were well over $100. Some of them were even over $200. So for the price that I paid for these lights, that was really, I think, pretty good. Okay, here's Sita's Lamborghini that I'm working on. And while I'm standing here, I want to show you something. I don't know if this will show up or not. I just started sanding this. Can you see how rough? There's like scratch marks in there. Okay. And that's because I started out with a sanding stick at 2400. Right. And actually, when I took this out of the box, there was some schmutz all up in here. And there was a big scratch that ran down here. So I got the schmutz out, and I got the big scratch out, but I've got a lot of little micro scratches in there. Okay, so this is why you work your way up. And you can see I have all of my sanding sticks lined up here. Okay, and I'm dropping them, starting at 2400. Okay, and then I will go up to 3000, up to, that's 3000 again, okay, 4000, and right on up the ladder. And the reason why you go up the ladder that way is because it will take out these micro scratches that were put in when I went with the first sanding stick at 2400. Okay, so that's the reason why you want to work your way up there. Okay, so anyway, yep, this is Sita's Lamborghini. And for those of you who have not seen the unboxing, here it is right there. And this will be going to China. All right, my friend Sita, she is my contact at Gallery, and this will be for her. Okay, so I think that's going to do it for this Papa's Quick Hits video, and I'm going to get back to work on this Lamborghini, wet sanding this down and so forth, and that'll do it, I think. So thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.